Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use customer feedback data from Chattermill within your preferred AI agent by connecting it through the Chattermill MCP. In this demo, we'll use Claude, but the MCP works with a variety of compatible AI agents. Before we begin, make sure you've got the Chattermill MCP connected to Claude. If you haven't set that up yet, check out the previous video in this series where we walk through the process or visit our help guides for detailed instructions. So, imagine I'm a CX manager at a fashion retail company called Chatterstyle, and I'm trying to figure out what the biggest delivery issues are for our customers. First, I want to start gathering research and understanding what problems I should focus on. I've just asked Claude to identify the biggest customer issues over the last 12 months. You'll notice I've included my Chattermill project ID in the prompt. That's just because I might have multiple projects, and it helps Claude pull the right data. Now you can see the MCP is fetching feedback clusters from Chattermill. These are not just summaries generated by the AI. These are insights Chattermill has already identified and quantified from our feedback data with exact mention counts for each one. And from this analysis, it's pretty clear that delivery is the biggest issue by far. So let's go deeper. I'll follow up and ask specifically about the top delivery issues over the last 12 months. Again, Chattermill surfaces the same granular observations within delivery. These are distinct issues ranked by volume, now organized into a clean, structured chart. Now I want to put some real customer voices behind these insights. So I'll ask for example quotes around delivery and logistics. As you can see now, the MCP is now pulling raw feedback from Chattermill, searching for relevant customer quotes that refer to these findings. At this point, I've got a clear picture of the delivery problems and the customer evidence behind them, all pulled from Chattermill. Now, here's where it gets really powerful, because the MCP brings Chattermill's intelligence into the same workspace as my other tools. I can connect the dots between what customers are saying and what's happening operationally. I've got an internal spreadsheet from our delivery system, and I'm going to ask Claude to cross reference it with the Chattermill insights we've just pulled to identify the root causes behind those complaints. As you can see, Claude is now working to combine the data together, find common trends, and analyze the results. I've used an Excel file here, but you could just as easily connect a CRM or any other tool through its own MCP and get the same result. And there we go. We've got a full report that traces the delivery issues all the way back to their source, combining the feedback from Chattermill with the data in my spreadsheet. Now we can see exactly which carriers and logistics centers are behind the main delivery issues. And finally, I'll turn all of this into a presentation I can share with my team. Rather than copying insights into a deck myself, I can just ask the AI agent to do it. This way, you can easily turn your Chattermill insights into reports in Excel, Google Docs, Notion, or any other format you prefer, provided those tools are connected through an MCP. So that's the Chattermill MCP. It gives you direct access to Chattermill's customer intelligence inside your AI agent and makes it easy to go from feedback to root cause to action all in one workflow. If you have any questions or need help getting set up, reach out to our customer success team. They'll be happy to help you get started. Thanks for watching.